Special thanks to Gleamin for sponsoring this video. And welcome back to another video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are unboxing a vitamin C clay mask by Gleamin. This is basically a turmeric and aloe vera vitamin C clay mask. I'm super hyped to try this out, you guys. I've heard so much about this product. If you're interested, stay tuned to this video. You try so hard to cover up your heart, and I just wear a natural. The very first thing I found in the box was a cute little brush to apply your mask with. Very soft brush. I'm very appreciative of that. I love when a mask comes with its own brush. Yay. Okay, so here is the mask. I'm showing you guys what it looks like coming right out of the box. This is how it looks. This is how the container looks. Just showing you up close. I like to give y'all vivid details of what's going on. This is a cruelty-free and vegan product, so certified organic ingredients. So I'm highly appreciative of that, y'all. When I first opened up the container, without taking the seal off at first, I smelled something immediately. It smelled exactly like jasmine. Oh my gosh. And I looked on the ingredients and it said jasmine essential oil is actually in this. So that is what the product smells like, and I could not stop smelling it. I smelled it over and over and over. That's the one thing, like, my first impression was the smell. I am so, like, obsessed with the smell. So I did start to apply the mask. I used a little bit that was on the plastic at first, the seal at first. Started applying it on my face, on a clean face. You're going to want to wash your face first before applying this mask. You can smell the mask over and over. So very smooth consistency. I love how slick this mask is. It is said to apply it on a clean face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes is actually a small amount of time compared to the other masks I've used from other products, from other brands, excuse me. But I was appreciative of the short amount of time, that they put on the box. So, but you can leave it on longer than that, but I did do 10 minutes for this product. They say that this product is supposed to enhance your skin for a luminous bare face glow, like basically fade your dark spots and any hyperpigmentation you have. It's supposed to fade it naturally. And this product is stain free, because turmeric can be messy. If you make your own turmeric mask, it could be very messy, but this here is actually the cleanest mask. So it's stain free, like they say. And the brush that I showed you guys is a brightening brush, by the way. So this product is said to enhance the skin, give you an instant glow, and I did see the glow after washing this product off. You will see that in the next clip. And boom, yes, it's said to fade dark spots. Any hyperpigmentation you have, it fades it naturally. So I am going to experiment on the little dark spots that I had left over from acne due to my period. I just got off my period. I left those acne marks there on purpose so I can actually experiment with this product. So I'll be using this product for at least 14 days to see if it actually fades my dark spots, and I will definitely keep you guys updated. Thanks guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in this product, you will find the description box. There's a link in the description box. Everything you need to know in the description box. Check it out there. Thanks guys so much for watching. Oh, and if I were you, I would take advantage of the buy one get one free offer they have going on right now. See you guys in the next video. Bye.